So we know that there are multiple problems with this house that have developed over the last 12 years while we've been gone. And here's the one we discovered today because it's pouring down rain. And as you can see, this slab has sunk and we have a swimming pool or a lake or something forming out here. And it is seeping through down at the bottom there. So yeah, add it to the list. The gutters and the downspouts have not been cleaned for years. Oh, I guess the rain let up a little bit. When I came out here before, there was a waterfall coming down from there down to here. The rain must not be coming down quite so hard right now. But yeah, that's going to be something else we get to play with. The house is coming together. Still have too much stuff. We don't know where to put it, but we got some furniture. There's my blanket. Someday I'll get this island done. We still haven't hung our paintings. We have to find our picture hanging stuff and some nails, but that will be coming. Here we are going. Here's Dave's room. Not as big as his man cave was before. And here's Mima's room.
I believe in the rule of law, sir.
What are you looking at?
You.
Don't take pictures of my room or me.
Why? You didn't make your bed.
I got a cat in it.
And you got a cat in it. That's a good excuse.
I'm going to get back in it.
And this is mine. And yeah, I still, every day, I'm trying to find more places for stuff.
How long have you been divorced for, by the way?
Getting closer to being able to have stuff put away, but look at down here. My sewing machine doesn't have a home yet. A few other things don't have homes yet. And if you notice over there, I now have a guitar. Do you think I should try and learn how to play it? I don't know. Might be hopeless. Well, oh my goodness, if I keep getting packages like this, I'm going to have to, just do one a month, or I'm going to be doing them every second day. I got mail again. So the first one is from Jesse and Lisa over at Lazy Days Ahead, and I hope nothing was taken from it because it arrived like this, open on the end, and I didn't notice that until I flipped it over and some stuff fell out. So let's go ahead and pull out what we got here. I know I won a prize from them. A purple envelope. Oh, look at this. They've sent me a bunch of tags to go on my board, which I should have behind me somewhere, but it's not. It's over on the floor. Oh, there's another one. Gorilla. I like that. Lazy Days Ahead. And then my purple envelope. Let's read the letter first. Hey, Lorrie, congratulations on your recent win on our last live and getting the purple envelope. Thank you for always joining in on the fun and for your continued support and friendship. We sure hope you are getting settled into your new old home, yes, and enjoy being in the States again. Absolutely. We are so happy to be back. Hoping you are staying safe, warm, and have a blessed week ahead. Much love to y'all, Lisa and Jesse and Toby. So thank you, Lisa and Jesse and Toby. And I don't remember what's in here. I know there's a $2 bill in here, but I don't know what else is in here. So let's find out. A collector $2 bill. Look at that. Oh, and on the other side, how do you open it? I have no idea. Oh, there, it opens on the top. Look at that. was a $20 bill. So way cool. $20 and a $2 bill to hang on to forever. Thank you, Jesse and Lisa. I super much appreciate that. And I will buy something for my garden. Oh my gosh, y'all. I am just so blessed to have such wonderful friends in the YouTube community, particularly in the gardening and the survival seeds community. You guys are absolutely the best, especially Lorrie and Bob, who have sent me another fabulous gift. And I did open the top, but I haven't actually pulled it out of the case yet. I've been waiting because I wanted you to see my true reaction. So this, oh my gosh, it is a decarb combo box to fully activate the potential for food use only. Has a 2-ounce capacity, and this is for different kinds of herbs. Some particular herbs need to be heated in order to release the, I guess they're called different things in different plants, but the tannins or the terpenes or the whatever, the essential benefits from the plant need heat to be activated sometimes. And this is a little machine that does just that, so that now I can make my infusions for my salves and for the treats that we use for different pain. Yes, I'm very excited to be able to use this. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in here. It is called the Decarb 9. Oops, here, I'll hold it up. I'm not being sponsored by Decarb 9 or whoever makes this, but what is it? Cloudish. Cloudyish? Delicious Cloudish. Cloudish Inc. is the name of the company that makes it. Anyway, open her up. Wow. Oh, it's a nice small little unit. So I don't know what other herbs need heat to be able to activate them other than hemp and cannabis. But I know I'm sure there are others that benefit from it, and I will have to do some research. I know that I was looking at some different roots and their effects and stuff, and they recommend them to be done in either decoctions, which is a kind of a long simmer of water and whatever your material is, until it's like half gone, until half the water is gone, and so it cooks it down and makes it strong, and you do it like that. And there are some that they want glycerite, so they want something else that can be heated with them. So I would think that decarbing them or heating them up for a little amount of time would be marvelous. This is really cool. So it's 2 little pieces. This is just the easiest thing. Okay, so 2 little pieces. There's no, there is some instructions, so I'll read the instructions. I don't know what this little doohickey is. We'll open it up. Anyway, I'm going to dig into this and see what I can do with it. And thank you, Bob and Lorrie, for your generosity. I'm very touched that you would consider sending this to me. And I'm going to learn how to use it. And you and me, we are going to learn how to grow some plants together so that you can make some of the same salve that I sent you for pain relief. And I hope that it works. I don't know. I'm assuming that you got it. Anyway, yeah, off I go to play with new stuff. And remember, I got all those new herbs the other day. I'm so excited. Bye, my friends. I'll see you too soon. Soon. Take good care of yourselves. Bye now.